Here's the final series of my Christmas dinner, and this one is the roast chicken recipe, which I've gotten several requests how to make the roast chicken. You see that nice delicious chicken that I made for Christmas dinner. So first of all, this was a 3-part series of preparing this chicken. So first of all, it was like the day before I started it in a brine. Now, just as how you would brine your turkey, whenever I'm doing a whole chicken, I always brine my chicken. And this is just soaking the chicken in your herbs, salt, sugar, thyme, lemon, onion, garlic, and all the herbs that you want in your chicken, right? Then after that, day 2, then I scotch cut the chicken, which means I take out the back. You see the neck? Yeah, the neck part of the chicken go all the way down to the bottom. We cut that part out. Then next, I'll be preparing my green seasoning for the chicken. And this is onion, garlic, thyme, some parsley, scallion, pimento, and a little olive oil. I like to use my Ninja Bullet for this. It's just so quick and easy. So now I'm going to put that into the butter. So that's some softened butter with my regular chicken seasoning, paprika, and the green seasoning. I'm going to combine that all up, and then we're going to give this a nice rub. Now, this is the second part of the chicken prepping, where it will be marinated, nicely marinated. And can you believe Seminati would taste this chicken? I did not even have a taste of it. So I think I'll be doing this for New Year's Day. Yeah, I'll be redoing this recipe because everybody else said it was so good, but unfortunately, I didn't taste it. So you cover that up, leave it to marinate. After marinating for a few hours, now I was ready to start cooking around after 12. So I cut up some small potatoes, as you see there, and I layered it at the bottom. Now, after this butter and this nice herbs and flavoring melted, then it gave the potato a nice seasoning. After the chicken was almost done, I took it out and I removed the potatoes, and then I added those green beans to the bottom so I get that same flavor. Then I basted the chicken with some barbecue sauce and I garnished it. Voila, all done.